Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V60E and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list of the settings we have to scroll all the way down to find system management. Then let's tap on languages and inputs, so the second option, and go to languages at the top. So right here we've got the, I would say the shortcut list of all languages which are currently applied. As you can see, we've got 3. So let's tap on add a language, and we will be transferred to this full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to scroll and find your language, and after finding, just tap on it. Then choose the region, and your device will immediately ask you if you wish to change the system language. So you can either keep current setting or change. I'll pick change. And as you can see, after getting back to this shortcut list, let's say, we've got our language, which we've just chosen, applied at the top. It is also marked, and from now on, the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. We can check it right here. If you've got more than one language added here, you can quickly change the language just by tapping on the specific language you'd like to apply. And as you can see, I've just tapped on the English, and it was immediately applied. If you wish, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner and tap on the minus icon next to the language which you'd like to remove, and tap on the tick icon in the right upper corner again to confirm. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.